Alright, are you ready for workshop number 6? In this workshop, we are going to take your thesis a step farther. You are going to learn about a specific thesis. But what is a specific thesis? When you write a thesis, it's important to be specific. Backgrounds should be general, but a thesis should be the opposite. That is specific. So your backgrounds should be things that are true, facts, or true for most people. But with your thesis, you want to be very detailed with what you write. Let's compare a general thesis with some specific thesis. A general thesis doesn't tell us why. So, for example, movies are violent these days because they have too much violence. Okay, we know they have violence, but why? This thesis doesn't tell us exactly why movies are violent these days. It just repeats the same thing. It just tells us they're violent because they are violent. That's not very specific, is it? A specific thesis tells us why. With the amount of weapons and killing in movies these days, I don't think they are a good influence on kids. In this example, weapons and killing make movies violent. Now I know why the movies are violent. I feel movies make war, guns, and fistfights seem like not the right thing instead of taking problems out. In this example, war, guns, and fistfights make the movies violent. Now I know why the movies are violent. What is the difference between a general thesis and a specific thesis? That's right. The specific thesis have detailed reasons. Not only that, they clearly show the position the writer is taking. That means they clearly tell us what the writer is thinking and their ideas and opinions. Let's look at two theses. Circle the one that is specific. Remember, the specific one should always say why. Here's the first thesis. Chocolate ice cream is the best, so it's my favorite. But why is it your favorite? Does this thesis tell you why? I don't think so. Let's look at the next one. Chocolate ice cream is sweeter than the rest, so it is the best. Now I know why it's my favorite, because it's sweeter than all the other ice creams. This is a specific thesis. Let's move on and practice writing a specific thesis. Practice 1. Read each thesis. Then use the words given underneath it to add more reasons and make a specific thesis. Number 1. Thesis. Dogs are better pets than cats because they are more fun. Now, let's make this a specific thesis by adding more reasons. Your word box is fun, fetch, and better. Here is the specific thesis. You can play blank with a dog, so they are blank than cats since they are more blank. Does your specific thesis sound like this? You can play fetch with a dog, so they are better than cats since they are more fun. Well done. Number 2. Thesis. I think raising a pet dragon would be very fun. Now, we can use some more reasons to make this a specific thesis. Your word box is creatures, dragons, and pet. Specific thesis. Blank are my favorite blank, so I think raising a blank dragon would be very fun. Does your specific thesis look like this? Dragons are my favorite creature, so I think raising a pet dragon would be very fun. Perfect job. Now you're ready to move on to practice 2. Practice 2. Use the hint to change the given thesis into a better, more specific thesis. Number 1. Thesis. Cats are better than dogs because they are easy to care for. Hint. Cats don't need a lot of attention. Your specific thesis might look something like this. Cats are better than dogs because cats don't need a lot of attention, so they are easy to care for. Number 2. Thesis. I think pigs are the best farm animal. Hint. Pigs are smarter than dogs. Your specific thesis might look like this. I think pigs are smarter than dogs, so they are the best farm animal. Let's keep going with practice 3. Rewrite your thesis from workshop 5. Highlight or circle your 3 reasons. If you don't have 3 reasons, fix your thesis now. Question: do you think winter or summer is better? Here's your example. The thesis from Workshop 5 said, I like winter better than summer because there are no bugs, I can snowboard, and there is Christmas. You can see my 3 reasons are no bugs, I can snowboard, and there is Christmas. This shows me my 3 reasons. Now, try it with yours. Great job writing a specific thesis. Now you can make your thesis a little bit better. I'll see you in the next workshop where we can take a thesis and make it even stronger.